Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now you will need to install the web browser version of the game. So in order to do this, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. Now, if your web browser shows an app icon alongside the URL bar, then you can simply click on this and you will see the install button. Once you have visited the ESPN Fantasy Sports website, you can click on the install button to install this application within your device. You may also click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and you will find the apps option. From there, you will also be able to install the application as a shortcut. Now, make sure to click on Create Desktop Shortcut and it will be available within your desktop as a shortcut. You can directly double click on this to launch the web browser version of ESPN Fantasy Sports to use it as an app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.